Did you know that 80% of new writers struggle to build a brand online, and 60% quit writing within the first year? Let's dive into the #1 mistake they make and how you can avoid it. You're making this mistake if your views are consistently low. Nobody engages with your content. You're writing more about yourself than your readers. Your articles lack clear takeaways. What is this #1 mistake? Writing what you feel instead of what the audience needs. Here's the hard truth. Nobody cares about your cat's breakfast. Harsh? Maybe, but this reality check might just save your writing career. You will struggle to build a following if your idea of writing online is writing what you want or feel instead of what your readers need. Let me paint you a picture. Your reader just finished a 9-hour workday. They have over 50 unread emails. Their social media is flooded with content. They have exactly 5 minutes to spare. Now ask yourself, why should they spend those precious minutes on your content? Unless you're Beyoncé, people won't read your daily diary. Why? Because they're not here for you. They're here for themselves. The secret: find the sweet spot between what you love to write and what your readers need. Instead of, my morning coffee routine, write 5 morning habits that doubled my productivity. Instead of, why I love my cat, write life lessons from my pet that made me a better leader. Every time you write, ask yourself, does this solve a problem? Does this answer a question? Does this teach something new? Does this provide relief or entertainment? Think of your writing like a product. Your readers are customers. Their attention is the currency. Your content is the solution. The winning formula is simple. Your passion plus readers' needs equals to successful content. Here's how to fix it. Research your target audience. List their common problems. Match these with your expertise. Create solution-focused content. Remember, great writing isn't about impressing people with your life story. It's about improving their life story. You can be passionate and profitable. You can be authentic and helpful. You just need to find that sweet spot. Want to learn how to become an impactful, influential, and profitable writer? Check out my free guide in the description section. I would love to hear from you. What's one topic you're passionate about that could help others online? Got value from this? Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tips, strategies, and guide on how to become an impactful, influential, and profitable writer.